impressive. Of course it took an hour on my way out. Absolutely you can, but not right now. I suppose likely not for quite some time actually. The captain doesn't like to be disturbed, also I'm told. He's in there now conferring with the helmsman, I think. Sergeant Carnegie, sir, reporting for duty. Well, not really duty to you, I suppose. Think of it as a duty to my country. Correct, my duty aboard the Oberon. I'm in charge of security, obviously. Yeah, those feathers and types could stop a round from a rifle even if they knew what one looked like. Which I doubt they do. Last of the Earth has floating around up here for Lord knows how long. Did they switch you on yesterday? Yeah, it's the last one, made from melted down other aerostats. Well, you know, parts from them. It's like my armor, cobbled together. But you know, it flies, doesn't it? Yeah, he's through here with the captain. I don't know none of them too well. They picked me up and the tin had a few passes back. Said they were gathering up for another big push, but I don't see how no aerostat can go without. I wouldn't guess you know too much about that though, being a robot and all. Don't bother with any of the metal aboard ship though. I tried some for shin guards. Apart from the struts, none of this lightweight sheeting is handy. Bends like soft cheese, and it's mostly punched full of holes already. Better be to save weight, I guess. Give me some good old pig iron any day. Alright, bye then. Yeah, a bit hard to record the lines, you know, bloody with a metal bucket on my head. I don't know. It was the first shot. Give us a bloody shot, Sarge.